guys, I hope you're doing really well. I know it's been super long that I haven't done a video, just the holidays and everything, and you might be wondering where I am right now. I am actually in Joshua Tree National Park in California. And for this video today, I am going to be testing some very different and special American treats that I have never tried before. So if you're interested in that, make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end. So first treat is these rolled corn tortilla chips, chili and lime flavored. This is actually from Trader Joe's, and how I found out about this product is when, before coming to California, I looked up the best vegan treats that you can find at Trader Joe's, and this was one of them. So let's see. They're pretty. That's what they look like. Oh, yum. Wow, this is actually very good. It's almost like a Dorito. It has that same type of thickness. Also, I love the fact that they're really acidic. The acidity is very strong, and I love that. And they're very crunchy too, as you can probably hear. I could probably eat the whole bag in one sitting. It's interesting because it actually tingles my tongue a little bit every time I have one. But these are really good. I actually prefer these way more than Doritos. They're better. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Thank God they don't have these in Canada, because I'd probably end up buying this like every week because it's so good. So, enough with munching the chips. We're going to go to another location to try another snack. You over? I can jump it. I can jump. Snack number 2, peanut butter filled pretzels. So when Sam and I were in LA and we went to Trader Joe's, and I saw this on one of the shelves, I knew immediately that I had to try this because it sounds so good. First of all, I love pretzels. Like, it's one of my favorite things in the world. And second of all, peanut butter is just peanut butter. I mean, who doesn't like peanut butter? I'm personally a fan. So super excited to try these guys. They're cute because they look like little pillows. Wow, that's like the perfect marriage of pretzel and peanut butter. It's nice because the exterior is really crunchy and there's like little salt specks, I guess, and the inside is just peanut butter. Wow, let's just say Trader Joe's is really impressing me. Seriously, perfect travel snack, to be honest. I'll try not to finish everything right now because we're actually supposed to have lunch and continue hiking, explore the park, and a little bit later I will show you more snacks. So third snack of the day and final one from Trader Joe's are these dark chocolate sunflower butter cups. So they're kind of like Reese cups, but with sunflower seed butter. I'm really excited about these. I've heard amazing things about them, so let's see how they taste. By the way, right now we are still in Joshua Tree, just in a cactus garden, which is really beautiful, and the sun will set in a couple of minutes. Oh, hi there. So this is what the cup looks like. It's really basically like just a Reese cup. It's all nice and pretty. Let's see. Oh, that's good. Mm. Mm. The chocolate is nice and dark too. It's not like a dark chocolate in quotation mark, you know, the type of chocolate that people say they're dark but really they don't taste that dark. And yeah, the sunflower seed butter too is quite mild, but it's good. Mm. I'm really tempted to have both of them, but you know what? I'll keep the second one for Sam because I'm that nice. So I think those are the only snacks I'm going to have today, but I will continue filming over the next couple of days and share with you the rest of my American snacks. So, different day and still snacking. Today we are actually in Mojave National Preserve, still in California. We did a beautiful little hike and now we are about to have another snack. Today I am trying this Nugo dark chocolate chip energy bar. I've actually heard a lot of people talk about this. So many YouTubers and Instagrammers said that this is a really good protein bar. Apparently it doesn't taste like there's added protein to it, so I was really curious about it. Another thing, people say that it really tastes like dark chocolate. This is a dark chocolate flavor, right? So I'm expecting a lot because of all the positive things people have said. So let's try it. It's nice. I think the base is like rice puffs, soy crisps. Oh, soy crisps. Okay, let's break it. I'm actually breaking it in half to share it with Sam. Let's see. I don't know. It does taste like there's a lot of protein in it. It doesn't taste like a candy or anything. In terms of the dark chocolate, no, it's not really dark chocolate, to be honest. I find it does have kind of a aftertaste to it, but it's not bad. I would have it again, but I wouldn't say it's a huge wow. I like the crispiness of it inside, and it's chewy. I mean, it does the trick. It's still tasty, but yeah, I don't think it deserves the hype. Although, I have to say, I have to try the pretzel one as well as the mint chip one. A lot of people have said those ones are really, really good. So I'll give those a try, and maybe I'll change my mind about this Hugo brand. Hey, today is day 3 of trying American snacks, and today I am trying this Lenny and Larry's The Complete Cookie. It's actually vegan. The flavor is white chocolatey macadamia, which sounds amazing. I bought this actually at Trader Joe's, and I'm pretty excited to try it. It's kind of like a protein cookie. There's 16 grams of protein per cookie. There's 10 grams of fiber. It's non-GMO, no soy, no dairy, no egg. Excited about it. Let's see. I haven't had much luck with protein supplemented products. I find you kind of taste the added protein. Let's see. It's huge. Oh, it smells good. It smells like vanilla protein powder. Okay, I'll put it in here so that it's easier for me to try. Try a little piece. Pretty texture. It's very chewy, which I personally really like. It tastes like there's a lot of protein in it. I find protein snacks like bars and all these type of things, they taste like there's like protein added to them, or protein powder. The white chocolate is nice. I find it's nice. It's not too sweet. What I like about this is the fact that it still tastes like you're eating something sweet, like a dessert. It does taste like there's protein in it, but the flavor is still nice enough to still be very enjoyable. And I'm really surprised with the texture. It's quite nice. Would I have this again? Maybe. If I'm down to have something sweet that still has a bit of protein. Like right now we are on a hike in the Death Valley National Park. And it's kind of good to have something like that we can take with us that tastes sweet and that has a lot of protein and good calories to give us a bit of energy for the hike. But it's not like a, oh my god, you guys have to try this. But it's good. Good job, Lenny and Larry's. So, how'd you find it?
I actually like it. I don't really taste the protein as much as you, but then again, I don't have very high standards. Like most of the food that I eat that's vegan, I like. But yeah, I like it.
Good. Would you buy again?
Not really, because it's more like I don't get the point of it. Like if I'm going to have a cookie, I would just have a normal one, and then if I want protein, I would just have like a meal with chickpeas or legumes or something.
Exactly.
I don't really get the like in between type of snacks.
But it's good. Fun to try.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So as you might have noticed, we are in the car right now. We are on our way to Monterey, still in California, and we were kind of hungry, and the only food that we have left are snacks that I have to film for my YouTube video that you're seeing right now. So I thought, why not film a little video in the car? And what I'm going to be trying are these crunchy curls. They're made out of lentil flour and potato starch. They're kind of like these chips. So let's see. Alright, so I just opened the bag. This is what these curls look like. And they're nice and light. I feel like they're gonna be really, really crispy. It's good. They have a very light flavor. Like they're not, I don't think they're flavored with anything but like the flavor of the lentils. Yes, it's made with lentil flour. So the flavor of the lentils and the potato flour. It's the type of thing that like you can probably eat a lot of because it's very light and simple. The flavor is not super, super strong. I feel like this would be really good with a dip. Maybe like a salsa or something spicy. It's the perfect snack for the drive to Monterey, I think. Would I recommend this? Yeah, I like it. I think they're really good. They're very simple. I like the fact that they're made with lentil flour. It's always a plus, you know, to get extra protein and a little bit of fiber. So we're going to continue our little drive, and then I will film my next snack in another location. So today I am filming the very last American snack here in Manhattan Beach. I will be trying this Nugo dark chocolate pretzel with sea salt bar. Before I had filmed the one that was made with chocolate chips, and because this one has such great reviews, I decided to try it here. Let's see. So it looks very similar to the other one. Nice texture. Oof. It's not bad. I don't really taste the pretzel. I don't really have like that, you know, very crunchy and slightly salty taste that usually pretzels have. I think I like this one better than the chocolate chip one. I think because of the fact that it has a little bit of that salt, but I was expecting big chunky pieces of pretzel in here, and I don't really get that, so Would I buy this again? Nah. Still good, but not great. I find this has 14 grams of sugar per bar, which I find is still a lot. If I was to eat the entire bar, it's basically 3 teaspoons of sugar, and it's added sugar. It's not like dates or anything. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and you had fun like seeing my little adventure around California and trying these American snacks. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share, like, comment on this video, and I'll see you very soon.